All right, now that we've got the piece cut to shape, cut to fit our area, we want to trim a little bit of the excess. We want to keep it a little wider and longer than what it is. So we're going to take a pencil now, mark the underside and the back, give us an idea where we need to trim it. Back over here with our razor blade, just trim it a little heavy, maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. Be careful going across the grain because the veneer wants to tear out at the end. Just make several small passes. Once you get there, you can break that off. Now we're going to apply a little bit of our glue. Squish it down till it squishes out everywhere. And we're going to use another one of the melamine blocks and another clamp to add the pressure. Again, you're not trying to crush it, just get nice firm pressure. Once we feel secure about that, we're going to let that sit and dry again for another 24 hours.